Yo, what's going on? So, welcome to 18-hour long editing marathon with Sam. I've got a flight in a few hours. Yeah, so pretty much me and my family are leaving for Greece in what, 3 hours, I think. And since 9 o'clock this morning, I have been editing a film. It's now 20 minutes long, and I'm almost finished it in one sitting, which might not sound much, but since 9 a.m. to now, that is what, 16 hours so far. So it might end up being 18 hours total. But yeah, where's my cup? I'm getting the coffee right now because I need to get this shit done fast. Like, I've still got all the colour grading to do. I've still got to make a thumbnail. I've still got to sort of understand the ending sort of credits that I want to do. This might sound a bit weird, but all this shit takes time and it takes longer than you think it does, always. But I'm gonna get this video up before we go to Greece, because when I go to Greece, I can't edit. I don't have a Mac yet. I edit on my PC. I haven't got a Mac yet, so I can't edit while I'm there. And I want to get some recording done while I'm there, but fuck, man, I've got so much energy. It's just crazy how long I've been up. And I only got like 5 hours sleep last night too. And I can't sleep on planes either, so that's gonna be really, really nice. But shit, man, I'm gonna get this video out. I'm really proud of it. I want to see how it does over the next week, sort of while I'm in Greece. Yeah, shit is pretty good. It feels like everything's sort of culminating at once. Everything's sort of happening all at once. Like, this video's coming together. Going to Greece. It's like I bought new clothes yesterday. I went into the alien environment of my city centre. Just because I never go there, because it's always just fucking full of druggies and Afghanistani men and chavs, and that's about it in Coventry city centre. But yeah, I went in there. Oh shit, I put the coffee bag in. I went into town yesterday and yeah, bought some clothes from Primark, and they're actually pretty nice. First time I've been shopping by myself, which sounds so weird to say, but it's true. Oh fuck. Shit. I'm not banning my fingers. Let's be smart. There we go. I need 2 hands for this. So yeah, we're going to Greece in a couple hours, which seems so weird to say at midnight, but it feels like it's the morning, you know. Let's get an orange as well, you know. Get those fructose in to keep me going. Oh my god. I'm putting myself so much, but it's so fun. Like, having shit to do like this, where you're on a mission, like, I've got to get this film edited. and everything, and then we're going to a fucking plane. It's fun. It's a fun mission to have, you know. Even if it's physically hard. I mean, that's, I guess, what makes fun. That's what makes life fun, I guess. The toughness, hardness of it. I do that so no one can open my door when I've got my headphones on and sneak up on me, because my desk faces away from the door, and it does happen, and I don't like people sneaking up on me. But here it is. I'll have a look at the timeline. It's not scaled properly, but there you go. So look at the timeline. Yep. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. But yeah, now I'm just kind of color grading and sort of getting the rest of it done. Why is my face so dark? Let's put you there, you go, some light. Yeah, so I'm just sort of color grading it and getting shit done, and it feels like everything's finally happening, you know. Oh shit, I've got a massive bug bite. But yeah, everything's sort of finally coming together, which is pretty sick. I'm gonna obviously sort of be vlogging it a bit. I found my sort of new style, especially making this film here, like finding my new style, like how I vlog and shit. I'm pretty much going about it where I just sort of record it in the moment and I don't bother speaking unless I like really have something to say. And then I do it with voiceovers later on. That's sort of how I'm going about it. Not forcing myself to say anything in the moment, just acting natural in the moment, I guess. And then relying heavily on the editing and production afterwards to create a story with it. But yeah, like this day in the life here, it was just a normal day pretty much, apart from a few events, and I sort of turned it into a massive story, using the 3 act structure and everything. And I've learned a lot about filmmaking. But anyway, I've just spent, what, 7 minutes that I can't afford talking to you. So, I mean, I guess, am I gonna upload this now? Or am I gonna upload this when I get back? I don't know, honestly. Because all my shit is kind of packed on the way. We'll figure it out.